this right here is a Bosch dishwasher. Yep, this is right here, the Bosch dishwasher. I'll be showing it, like kind of a preview of what's next coming. As you can see, we actually got this back in 2017. Really good condition. Yeah, some of the signage has rubbed out, but hey, can't go wrong. Everything still works. Let's open this up. As you can see, we washed some dishes. And yeah, this is where the dish tablets go. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, so right here, we're doing a full load, hot water, bowls and glasses. And hey, it works pretty well. So guys, I'll be doing a full wash of this soon, a full cycle. So stay tuned.